Hi guys, welcome back to another episode of Out of the Box with Mytee Products. My name is Austin and today we're going to be taking a look at the Tempo Ultra Compact Detail Spotter. Available in heated and non-heated versions, there's nothing available on the market that's going to deliver the combo of lightweight design and stain fighting power. Now you can finally get those tough stains out with a machine that's taking a load off your back and not a load out of your wallet. Let's go ahead and check it out. Alright, so as you guys can see, the Tempo is really nice, super compact, has the built-in handle as well, so you can easily take it on the go. Even the heated version weighs in at under 30 pounds, so it's really easy for anybody to use. The casters here underneath make it super easy to roll around while I'm working. And as always, the housing is rotomolded on site here from polyethylene, making it super durable. When properly maintained, these machines will perform beautifully for you for years to come. Now that we've taken a quick look at the machine, let's go ahead and check out the accessories that are going to come with every Tempo from Mytee. The Airlight upholstery tool with 8-foot vacuum solution hose combo, pack of 2 Cuties quick disconnect safety covers, and a heat guard hose wrap. Alright guys, so let's go ahead and get started here. The first thing we're going to need to do is connect to power. You'll see that the Tempo runs off of a single power cord here, making finding a power source super simple. Once I find a grounded outlet and plug into it, it has enough power for me, I'll see my cord light up, letting me know that I'm good to go. Once power is taken care of, we can go ahead and fill the 1-gallon solution tank. Using just a bucket of warm water, I can pour it directly into the face of the machine. Once we have power and water, it's time to go ahead and connect our cleaning tool. I can start with the vacuum hose here, just connect it directly onto the front vacuum port there. And then my solution line goes into the quick disconnect fitting right there on the face of the machine. Now that we have that hooked up, it's time to get her running. So the first step, whether I have a heated or non-heated model, is going to be the same, and that is to prime the pump. I go ahead and hit the switch here, turning on my 55 psi pump, and I can just squeeze the tool on my trigger until I get a steady stream of solution coming out of my tool, letting me know that the pump has been primed. Now that we have that set, if you have a heated version like I have right here, we can go ahead and switch on the 600 watt heater. Give it about 8 to 10 minutes to heat up your solution. Once it's hot, you guys are ready to get cleaning. I can go ahead and switch on the 2-stage vacuum there, giving me 85 inches of water lift, which is going to be plenty to tackle any of those stains. And I'm ready to get out there and get cleaning. Alright guys, so that's all we have for you today. If you want some more information, please check out Mytee.com. You can connect with us on Instagram and Twitter, or join the conversation at All Things Mytee on Facebook. Thank you all for watching. We'll see you again next time.